Pod pays.
As kids, we're all taught to dream big. And then you get older, and it's more like, be realistic. Let's go back to when we were kids and make a dream list of where our dream customers are actually hanging out. Find out how to do this and why it's so important for small business growth and more on this episode on This Week in Marketing. Hey everyone, I'm Darren Lake and welcome to This Week in Marketing, another podcast by Metigy. Each episode, we answer questions or talk about one specific idea to help you market and operate your small to medium enterprise better. And we do that by making them easy to digest, short, and concise, because we've all got a business to run. We've got our friends Kevin George from the B2B Playbook podcast to take over the next few episodes. Kevin Chen and George Koudenaris are a unique team. They are both ex-lawyers turned digital marketing wizards. And with over 10 years of experience between them, their main objective is to help business owners with proven, detailed strategies to drive demand and grow. Their podcast is the holy grail playbook that any business owner or marketer can use, no matter how early or advanced they are in their marketing journey. Make sure you go and check it out anywhere you can get podcasts or the show notes description.
George, episode 5, the Dream 100. This is one of your favorite concepts.
Oh, it's one that I can't shut up about. And Kev, actually just the other day, I had a listener from the B2B Playbook come out and message me on LinkedIn. And she said that she works for a tech company and she actually has a podcast up and running for them, which is, I think, awesome. And she said, where should she promote the podcast? What channel is best?
I can see where this is going.
You know what I said to her, Kevin?
Dream 100?
Dream 100. I said to her, figure out where it is that your best customers are already hanging out online, and that's where you should promote it.
And that's such a common scenario, isn't it, George? No matter how well you know your dream customers, sooner or later the question becomes, well, how do I get more of them?
That's it. And the Dream 100, Kevin, it is the roadmap to that. It is the answer to it. So what is the Dream 100? Well, the Dream 100 is, I'm going to start with what it's not actually, Kevin. It is not a list of your top 100 dream clients. It's actually a list of the top 100 places that your dream customers are hanging out online already. So everyone's always worried about where do we get more customers? How do we generate more traffic to our website? Well, the truth is your customers are already out there gathering in certain places already online and offline, right? They're going to certain industry events. They're going to certain websites, to blogs. They're listening to podcasts. They're subscribing to newsletters. So they're already congregating in certain places online. So the Dream 100, Kev, is really about being more visible in those places that people are already gathering. And how to be more visible? Well, we can either work our way in with that community or we can buy our way into it.
Let's dig a little bit deeper into working your way in, buying your way in. So working your way in.
Yeah, working your way in is actually getting into that community and making yourself known. If it's a social platform like LinkedIn and someone from your Dream 100 is a LinkedIn group where your dream customers are gathering, it's about going in there, being visible, and helping people solve problems.
And then buying your way in?
Well, buying your way in is just using paid advertising dollars to buy the eyeballs of the people that are in that Dream 100.
Well, George, I think for everyone, that really takes the pressure off. With this Dream 100 concept, you don't have to find every single new customer and find them and bring them in the door one at a time. You can actually just find where they're already congregating and make sure you're visible in those spaces, because that will allow you to maximize your marketing efforts and get your dream customers to come find you.
Oh, it fundamentally changed how I think about marketing, Kevin. Dream 100, it's everything.
All right, everyone. That brings us to the end of this mini-series. Thanks for joining us, and we hope that you've picked up some helpful tips and principles to level up your B2B marketing.
From Metigy, you've listened to This Week in Marketing. Again, I'm Darren, and Metigy hopes we helped you find more insights and tips into your business. If you like what you heard, please share a link to another business owner or marketer who you think could get something from this. Also, to help us out, it would be great if you left a 5-star review on your favorite podcast app. Last, never miss another episode by following or subscribing to us on your favorite podcast player. See you on the next episode.